Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Sri Uddhav said, "You may take lessons from the great learned sage Maitreya, who is nearby and who is worshipable for reception of transcendental knowledge. He was directly instructed by the personality of Godhead while he was about to quit this mortal world. Although one may be well versed in the transcendental science, one should be careful about the offense of Maryada Vyatikrama, or impertinently surpassing a greater personality. According to scriptural injunction, one should be very careful of transgressing the law of Maryada Vyatikrama, because by so doing one loses his duration of life, his opulence, fame and piety, and the blessings of all the world. To be well versed in the transcendental science necessitates awareness of the techniques of spiritual science." Uddhav, being well aware of all these technicalities of transcendental science, advised Vidur to approach Maitreya Rishi to receive transcendental knowledge. Vidur wanted to accept Uddhav as his spiritual master, but Uddhav did not accept the post because Vidur was as old as Uddhav's father, and therefore Uddhav could not accept him as his disciple, especially when Maitreya was present nearby. The rule is that in the presence of a higher personality one should not be very eager to impart instructions, even if one is competent and well versed. So Uddhav decided to send an elderly person like Vidur to Maitreya, another elderly person, but he was well versed also, because he was directly instructed by the Lord while he was about to quit this mortal world. Since both Uddhav and Maitreya were directly instructed by the Lord, both had the authority to become the spiritual master of Vidur or anyone else. But Maitreya, being elderly, had the first claim to becoming the spiritual master, especially for Vidur, who was much older than Uddhav. One should not be eager to become a spiritual master cheaply for the sake of profit and fame, but should become a spiritual master only for the service of the Lord. The Lord never tolerates the impertinence of Maryada Vyatikrama. One should never pass over the honor due to an elderly spiritual master in the interests of one's own personal gain and fame. Impertinence on the part of the pseudo-spiritual master is very risky to progressive spiritual realization.